DD1 electric locomotive built a long time ago for the Pennsylvania Railroad. Back in 1911, the DD1 was the star of Pensie's fleet. It was chosen to head the first passenger train to depart from the just opened Penn Station in New York City. The DD1 looked boxy, but it was a smooth, powerful runner. It could pull a 14-car passenger train weighing 1,000 tons. It was fast, too, capable of speeds up to 85 miles per hour. The DD1 served the Pennsylvania Railroad well for almost 25 years. Between 1910 and 1920, 33 pairs of DD1s were heading up to 600 trains daily in and out of Penn Station. New electrics like the sleek GG1 gradually replaced the older DD1s. But the DD1s weren't finished. Many were transferred to the Long Island Railroad, where they headed passenger trains for another 25 years. The DD1 was fast and powerful and enjoyed a distinguished career. Today, you can see a beautiful restored pair of DD1s at the Pennsylvania Railroad Museum in Strasburg, Pennsylvania.